everyone, it's Georgia and welcome back to my channel. So welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video we have a very exciting one. We are going to be unboxing July's Glossybox. I am literally so excited about this. I've wanted to do like a Glossybox video and actually have Glossybox for ages, and I've never really got round to it, but Glossybox actually very kindly sent me the July box, which I am so grateful for. So I just thought I would unbox it, show you all the products inside, and I've been so excited to open this. So let's just get straight on into the video. Also, if you're new here, I'd love you to stick around, join the little family and subscribe if it's the first time you've came across my channel. We're going to be having a lot more beauty content, fashion. Hauls are just my big obsession over here. Hauls are just everything I live for, and a lot of vlogs as well. So definitely stick around if you don't want to miss all my other videos, and let's just get into the box. So the box actually comes with this little card in it, which tells you about all the products, tells you a little bit about them, and also gives you their prices, like their full prices. And the box is actually £8.50 a month subscription, and get 5 full-size products in there, which I just don't really understand. Like, it's so good. Let's just get inside. It actually was wrapped really nicely and it all had a bow around it, but as you can see, I just couldn't wait. I'm very impatient. So it does come with a little bow, and then inside are all the products. So the first thing that comes in the box is a little bronzer, and it's the Aloha bronzer by the brand Give Them Lala, which is literally so cute. The packaging matches the box, which is just so cute. So this is in the shade Ibiza. Wish I was in Ibiza. Wish I was living up with this bronzer in Ibiza, but sadly we just have the bronzer, but it's fine. The actual price of this is £19.80. Bear in mind, you've already made up the price of the box and doubled it already, and you've only opened one product. Just crazy. So yeah, this is £19.80, and it says use a large fluffy brush to apply along your hairline, down your cheekbones and across your jaw. So I'm gonna do that, follow the instructions on the box. So this brush is just from Morphe, and I'm gonna just apply some. It's a really nice colour as well. It's like a really warm bronzer, which is my favourite type of bronzers. So let's just give this a go. Oh, I love that. Look how warm that is. I want them to be really warm and just give you that kind of sun-kissed Ibiza vibe, you know. Even though we're in England and it's cloudy outside and it's not the one, but I've got a little hint of Ibiza with the bronzer, so it's fine. I honestly love that. This actually could be added into my everyday makeup, genuinely, because I don't want to make bold claims here. This is a bold claim. I think this might be comparable to the Chanel one, and I like it just as much. Wow, I absolutely love that. So that is product number 1. Big fan so far. So there's also a little face mask in here. Anybody who's been watching my channel for a while knows that in all my Primark hauls I pick up face masks. In most vlogs we've got a face mask on. I just love a face mask. So there's also a little face mask which is by Coco Star, and this was £4 full price. And this is applied to your clean dry skin, 15 to 20 minutes, and then peel off and massage the excess serum into the skin. So this is in a watermelon, but you would have either got a watermelon one or a strawberry one. So I think there's different ones you could have got, but I got the watermelon one, and look how cute this is. It has little watermelons on the back. I love it. I think that's so cute. So the next product is a cheek and lip tint, and this is by the brand The Beauty Crop, and it's the Palm Balm Lip and Cheek colour, and this is really nice packaging again. By the way, my cardigan is from House of CB, in case anybody was wondering, and this little top is from Ellie Darby's Angel collection. So that is the outfit of the day. I have a mirror here as well in case I keep looking over there without explaining. But so I got this colour, and this is in the shade Mauve Wave. Is that how you say that word? I always get that word mixed up, but I'm gonna put a bit onto my cheeks. I guess you just dab it in. That is so nice. That is literally so nice. Anybody who knows me and has been watching any of my makeup videos, you will know that I am obsessed with blush. Like, blush is my favourite makeup product by far. Like, by far. And I just love it so much. So yeah, that is getting a 10 out of 10 from me. I don't actually have any really pinky blushes, so that is a nice little addition. I'm actually really liking how my cheeks are looking with the bronzer and the blusher. Like, you're actually getting like a full face of makeup in this. So the full price of that is £18. £18. Can you actually believe, like, you've had a full size bronzer for £19.80, you've had a blusher for £18, and we paid £8.50. Like, why would you not get this? I'm just so excited about it. So yeah, this says, apply it to your cheeks, lips or eyelids and then blend it in with your fingertips for a natural radiant finish. That is another thing that's really nice because it's like a liquid product. It actually does have a slight sheen to it, which is really, really nice. I'm all about a glowy look, all about it. Okay, so the next thing is a little hand cream, and this is by Neo Bay. It's natural and organic orange juice hand cream. Okay, this is packaging for one is stunning. Like, it has a little wooden bit around here, is that what you'd call that? It has a little, I don't really know how to describe this. The price of the hand cream is £11.50, which again, we're getting it in the box for £8.50. I'm just a bit surprised, shocked, confused, but I'm not complaining. I really need to get my hands on the subscription now because I'm just too excited about this box. Let's just give this a try. My mum would be a big fan of this. She's like a hand cream fanatic. Anybody wants a hand cream recommendation, go to my mum because she's going to give you the best one. She's tried every hand cream under the sun. It smells like pure orange juice. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of like a really nice orangey cocktail on a beach somewhere. If only that was me right now. Instead we're in England, but it's fine. That smells amazing. It's also not sticky. That is the reason I don't really use hand cream. I put it on and then I'm like, it's so sticky, but I like that. That's actually really nice. I just think the packaging is so nice. You could use this box to store makeup in. It has multi-purpose. I love it. So the next product, I think we've saved the best till last, sounds right up my street. It is Glow Drops by Jekka Black, and it's a highlighting primer for the face. Okay, first of all, this is vegan friendly and cruelty free, which we love. I always try to make swaps where I can, so I think that is honestly so good that it is like that. This is in the shade Rose Pearl, which sounds amazing. Look how nice that looks. And anything glowy is right up my street. This is a glowy primer, but I'm actually thinking you could probably use this as a highlighter up here. That's what I'm going to try and do. So it says, simply spread the primer evenly onto your face using your fingertips and then apply your base makeup over the top. A hydrated iridescent finish awaits, which, wow, sounds fab. I've already done my makeup, so I won't be able to test that out, but I am going to see if it doubles up as a highlighter because that would just be the best. The price of this is £16. Okay, let's see what these look like. Oh, it's like a gold drop. Wow. This looks and feels like it's going to be my fave. Okay, let's try and put a bit on as a highlighter. I don't know if this is going to work because, like I said, it did say it was a base, but okay. Can anybody see that glow? Yeah, I don't think you're going to miss that. Oh my gosh, I love that. I actually love that so much. I'm going to put a bit on my nose, on my lip. This actually doubles up as both then. You can use it as a highlighter, as a glowy base. Wow, I actually think this and the bronzer are my two favourite things in the whole box. I think these actually might be going into my everyday makeup, and I've found them both in a beauty subscription box. So, I mean, I'm not complaining. I absolutely love this. Like, look at that glow. My cheeks just, I really love how they look. Like the blusher, the bronzer, the highlighter. Let's see what the rest of this says. So it kind of talks you through all the products. Oh, and then on the back, it says our birthday surprise. So I've heard that actually they give you like a little sneak peek of the next month, and apparently August is their birthday month. So I've heard that the August box is amazing, and I know the July box, which I've just opened, is already sold out. You can order the August box, so definitely go check them out if you haven't already. And the sneak peek is, next month we'll be celebrating our birthday and we couldn't be more excited. Not only do we have an incredible box waiting, but we've got an even more exciting announcement. So apparently it's a project they've been working on for 2 years. It's coming, and Glossybox is going to get bigger and better than ever. So that is everything that's in the box. I honestly love it so much. I can't believe you can get it all for £8.50. This really sounds like an ad, and it's definitely not. They didn't ask me to do this video or anything. I just wanted to share it with you because I actually love it. Like, I opened it and I thought I have to do a video and share because I just think it's such a good idea. You get 5 full-size products for literally £8.50. I've been so excited to try Glossybox for the longest time, and I just thought I'd do a little video. And my first impressions and first review is 10 out of 10, like 10 out of 10. I loved it. Love all the product. I also just, I'm loving how my makeup's looking at the minute. I just love like a bronzy, glowy, blushery kind of vibe. So I'm loving that as well. I feel like this box is a really, really good one. So if you are new here and you only found me through this video, I would absolutely love you to stick around, join the little family and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.